So, hello everyone, this is CS Anitya Saraf, your friend, mentor, and coach. So, I believe that you are totally geared up for the upcoming examinations and you are just going to rock it. I totally have that faith. I totally have that confidence that you are totally going to rock it. And December 21 is going to be your last attempt, irrespective of how many attempts you have given. But December 21 is going to be your last attempt. That is my faith that I have in you. Right? My faith I exercise in you. Now there is a good news for all my friends from South India. There is a good news for all my students from South India, all the students from various parts of the country who face issues in understanding Hindi, and at the same time they were waiting for long that sir, please release the English version of your lectures because we too want to get that benefit, right? So considering the request of thousands of students from South India, I have launched my Sanjeevani audit course in English version, right? It was not possible for me to launch the fast track courses or the regular courses in English language because duration is high, right? But considering that Sanjeevani audit is the most popular booster course for audit in the country, the most popular, highly rated among the students, right? So considering that Sanjeevani audit has actually helped thousands of students to increase their marks from 30s to 50s in audit and from 40s to 60s in audit, I decided that let me provide Sanjeevani audit lectures in English version on a priority basis to my South India friends. Now, Sanjeevani Audit English is a course in which we have covered the entire syllabus of CA final audit in an exam oriented manner in just 25 to 30 hours. In just 25 to 30 hours, right? Basically, in Sanjeevani audit, the methodology of the teaching that is being used is we have used the concept of CPI. What is the concept of CPI? C for concepts, P for presentation, and I for interlinking. So, Sanjeevani audit is nothing but a perfect blend of concepts, presentation, and interlinking skills. Because first of all, you need to know the concept. So I've taught you the concept. Again, if a student has never done audit before, then this course is not advisable because the entire subject is done in 25 to 30 hours. So it may appear fast to you. But if you have studied audit before, but you are not getting that confidence, maza nahi aa raha, we are not getting that confidence, we are low in confidence, or you are not able to get good marks, you are stuck in your 30s or 40s, you are weak in the subject, then the concepts we are going to deliver in Sanjeevani audit course is going to be highly beneficial for you all, right? Then presentation, we are going to focus immensely on presentation because presentation is one of the aspect where a CA final student always lacks. A CA final student always lacks in presentation. And when I examine the answer sheets of the students, when the students get the certified copies and submit it to me, and when I actually assess the answer sheet of the students, let me tell you, my friends, presentation is just pathetic. Presentation is just pathetic, horrible presentation. Actually, I feel very sad that the CA final students don't have an idea how to present the answers. It's like they are, in a school, in a nursery, and that is how they are presenting the answers. Hey, and where the answers are being going. Means just they are writing the answers. The question is being asked, we have to just write. Boss, you are professionals. You have to present the answer in a professional manner. So I'm going to teach you how to present the answers. And at the same time, I'm going to teach you interlinking skills. Because CA final audit is a subject where a lot of interlinking aspects is involved. When we study one standard, we cannot study one standard in isolation. We have to know the professional ethics part, we have to know the company audit part, the things go in sequence. We have to know the chronology, we have to know the interlinking. Each topic can be interlinked with various other topics. So I have also taught you the interlinking aspects. If I talk about the coverage is not 100%, but I will say the coverage is 70 to 80%. The coverage is sufficient for you to get good marks in audit. The coverage is sufficient for you to increase your 30s to 50s and 40s to 60s. And thousands of students have done that. They have increased their marks from 30 to 40s and 40s to 60s. But again, the result comes when you join the course with a faith, with a dedication on your friend, mentor, and coach. If you don't exercise faith in me, if you don't have trust in me, I will tell you, don't join this course. I don't want students who pay me fees and don't exercise trust in me. I want students who have that faith in me, who have that trust in me, because only then I'm going to deliver you the results. If you go and take the medicines of a doctor, but you don't actually trust the doctor, the medicines of the doctor is not going to give you any relief from your disease. The same is the case here, my friends. You have to have faith. The books I provide, the exam oriented study methodology I teach, the techniques I teach, you have to have faith in that. You have to have faith in the methodology I teach. Right. So this course is not recommended for the students who are doing audit law for the first time, who have never done audit and law before. But this course is highly recommended for those who have done audit and law before but are weak in the subject. They are not getting that confidence. They are not able to manage the vast syllabus. They are facing that 1.5 day revision issues. Then this course is highly recommended for you. You can aim to increase your marks from 40s to 60s or 30s to 50s by doing this course. But again, just doing the course is not enough. You have to follow what I say. You have to see the course with dedication. You have to exercise your faith. You have to follow all the instructions provided by me. Only then the results are going to come. So now the question is that, sir, how can we avail your Sanjeevani audit course? What are the fees and what are the features? Features I have already told you, right? How can we actually avail this Sanjeevani audit course? So you just have to visit www.apnamentor.com. You just have to visit www.apnamentor.com. That is the link of my website. For any assistance, you can contact on 69019550555/56. When you visit www.apnamentor.com, there you have to select online classes tab. In online classes, you have to select the CS Anidya Saraf. In CS Anidya Saraf, you will see approximately in the 5th row, you will get the classes of Sanjeevani Audit English. The exact link I am going to share in the description. You can just click the link and go directly to the product. You are going to get 1.5 views. So even if you want to see a topic repeated number of times, you can do that because you are going to get 1.5 views. The classes, the access to the classes you can get in your mobile phones, whether it's Android or a iPhone, you can go get in both. You can also get the access in your laptop, public desktop devices. So no need to worry about the access because the access you can get in Android, iPhone, desktop, laptop, everywhere you can get the access. The course is available both in ebook option as well as the hard copy option. Right, the course is available in the ebook option as well as the hard copy option, because there are many students who find it feasible that will just get the ebook, will get it printed. So we have given you the printed option. You can download the ebook and get it printed. So that option is available. If you want, if you actually want, to save that price, then you can get the ebook option. So Sanjeevani Audit English is available at 1800 rupees right now. That is the discounted price. Alternatively, if you want that colorful book in your hand in a properly binded manner, you can available Sanjeevani Audit in hard copy version. That is 2500. So currently the fees is discounted. And this will be available in a discounted price for the first 50 or 100 number of students. So accordingly, you can enroll now if you are interested at all in this course, and if you feel that this course can actually do the benefit for you. इस course से आपका actually में भला हो सकता है. Talking about the language used, 80% of the time I have used the language English, but again because my mother tongue is Hindi, तो कभी-कभी slip of tongue हो ही जाएगा, and 20% of the time you will see कि मैंने हिंदी भी use किया है. But even though 80% of the time I have used English. So this is an attempt to take that benefit forward to the students of South India. Right, the benefit that the students of North India have got, and thousands of students who have excelled in audit and law examination, it is an attempt to take the benefit forward to the students of South India. I will also try to record some revisionary videos, some revisionary audio clips, especially for the students of South India in English language. I will try to do that as well. Right. Currently, we have started with Sanjeevani Audit English for the South India students. If the response is very good, if the response is very encouraging, then definitely I will try my level best to come up with the Sanjeevani courses for law as well, and the fast track courses for you as well. That depends upon you. Whether you want this benefit to pass on the future generation for the South Indian students, that depends upon you. If the response is very good, I'll try my level best. And I will also try to provide you support in the best possible manner. If you have any if you have any academic queries after taking the classes, you have any doubt or something like that, then you can just contact me on Telegram. At Telegram, you just enter the user ID CS Anidya Saraf. At Telegram, you just enter the user ID CS Anidya Saraf. There you will get a icon where contact us for queries is given. You can just message in that, and you will definitely get the response to your queries within 24 to 48 hours. So my support system will be till the day you go into the exam hall. My support system will be till the day you go into the exam hall. It's not going to end here. In the classes, I'm also going to guide you how to practice questions, how to do revisions after the examinations. So I'm going to guide you with A to Z aspects of auditing. You don't have to take tension about that. When you are coming to enroll my class, you just leave that tension upon me. You have that trust in me, you have that faith in me. Follow what your mentor says, and I can assure you that you will get that results. But अगर भरोसा नहीं होगा तो result नहीं होगा. Better you don't come and enroll. So all the very best. Hopefully this information was beneficial for you. You can just go at www.apnamental.com and avail your copy of the Sanjeevani Audit course right now.